Do not do this by yourself.
I'm not sure I understand.
Me neither. What's up, you guys? Just like this. So I have my best friend Savannah here.
Hey!
To help, as you guys know.
Ava!
My best baby Ava. And my best boyfriend Chris.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to put together my TV unit from IKEA that we bought. So let's get to it, y'all. We need to do 1 and 2. This is how they come. These boxes are not easy to open. Okay.
Oh my god. I'll carry this outside.
Well, it was like a little truck thing, like a cart thing that you
Yeah, but like you carried it in here.
Oh yeah, Chris did it.
Oh gosh.
You're heavy. I do not like this packaging. This is my first review. I don't like this packaging. How the hell are you supposed to do it? You want to read that? Some kind of spearhead everything? You could be the, like, tell us what to do.
Supervisor, yay!
No.
First off, we need men.
That's what it says? Dang, this, y'all, this is low-key maybe like way above what I got. Just to show y'all, these are the tools. Alright, I'm gonna kind of speed through everything just so you guys can enjoy us putting it together or struggling.
You got a flathead screwdriver?
Hammer, screwdriver bottom, screwdriver tops, screwdriver tops. Alright, do we have a flathead and a regular one on there? Bob the Builder, Bob the Builder.
What's that?
Oh god, we gotta get rid of those.
Oh, no.
Essentials. 8 ounce.
Okay. Okay. First off, you need a
It's
plank.
outside though.
These things don't have no freaking labels or nothing on it. That's the review that I read. They should have labels.
I mean, all there is pictures.
Right, and they don't really label anything. Like they're not labeling the screws either. It's like, figure it out. Wow. We'll be back, you guys. Savannah's leaving.
Good luck, guys.
We've made some progress, but
Not enough to share yet.
IKEA tried to sabotage me.
You got some beef.
Yep, and they didn't drill holes properly in one of the pieces, so no matter how far we get, it's not gonna like be completed tonight. So that sucks. But do you have the receipt for that already?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to just table this for another day. Chris is gonna take that piece to IKEA tomorrow because it's missing some holes. And then hopefully we can get a new thing. I can't find the receipt though, so hopefully they don't give him any problems, but your girl is tired. Deuces until next time. Whoosh. All right, you guys, so it is a new day here with Ava, and I am going to continue working on the project. But Chris did go and get a replacement for that one piece that we ran out of. Or not that we ran out of, but that didn't work. So we should be in good shape. All right, let's do this. This is a lot of work, you guys. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. I'm just kidding. It's telling me to put these. Oh, okay. I get it. All right, so I think I finished everything that's in that box. And the next step says I need some longer panels. So I'm gonna open up this bad boy. What the heck? What is this? I'm so confused. These must be like the drawers. Okay. Okay, so I just flipped it over. It's looking good. Yay! Oh my god. I finished. This is the TV unit, the final product of that. That's what it looks like in the front. And then the back looking super professional. Oh my god. That was a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna push it up against the wall and put the TV on top of it for now. Drops TV. I'm getting this TV mounted super soon, so it's not gonna look like this. It'll be up on the wall, but yeah. So next I just need to do the glass cabinet and the bookcase, but stay tuned. We're in the same pajamas as last night. I'm gonna start working on the bookcase. This also has like cabinets to it, so I kind of already know how to put those together, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let's get started. What the heck? Putting these together. No wonder why I can't do this with two people. What the heck? I can't get it to work. Maybe not. What the heck? No! Oh, golly. Two of my nails went through. Have no fear. Or three of my nails went through. So, I'm going to... Alright, so fix that issue. I just have, you know, two little holes right there, but it'll have to do for now. Alright guys, so I'm almost done. Mama said, is that what you said? Almost done. Chris just got here, it's Valentine's Day. 10 minutes, and it's Valentine's Day, and he's cooking us dinner.
Cooking myself dinner.
You just think it's so funny. IKEA, I was saying, IKEA gives you the exact amount of little screws and stuff. They're not gonna give you no more just in case you drop one. They said it's out of luck, you have to come back to the store.
Yeah, basically.
And ask for some extra.
No, you don't even have to ask for those.
Oh really?
They have like a bin.
Oh, really?
Different ones.
Well, that's nice, I guess, but it's like, dang, can y'all spare a system?
Mattress sales.
Yeah, like Broomsville has President's Day. Remember when we went and it said President's Day?
Nope.
Of course, yeah. Dear.
Oh man, this food is gonna take forever.
What the? What the? It's not in. It's not in correctly. There we go. Yay!
And need me to help you?
Yes, please. Wow, finally some help around here. Okay.
Well, this food's gonna go rotten. Anyways, can I continue cooking, please?
Yeah, no one's stopping ya.
You are.
How?
By yelling at me again.
I'm not yelling at you, I'm singing to you. I'm not yelling at you, I'm just singing at you. If only y'all could see him, he's laughing.
I know it.
You are, you're like, turns camera to him and he's like, and you're smiling and laughing. Super good so far. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I did the gray.
Glad I told you.
The next and last piece are the glass cabinets, and I'm super excited about that. I think it's gonna be so pretty. Honestly, now that I see how this looks, I'm wanting to do it tonight. So this should hopefully be the last day. I'm going to work on the glass cabinet portion of the TV unit. So let's hope that this isn't hard or too heavy to do by myself, because if not, Ava, you'll be helping me. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's get to it. Y'all, this is hard. Do this with a friend, please. Do not do this by yourself.
I'm not sure I understand.
Me neither. Bam. Straight like that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Have any of you ever gotten anything from IKEA? If so, how was your experience? I forgot to water my plant. The thing about to die. Now I put all of the little things on there, and it's telling me to plop the glass shelves onto it. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Pretty. Ding. So next, I think, is putting on the doors. So let's do it. So now that I got this one on, I'm gonna turn off the camera, put on the other one, and then I'll come back and put on the handles. So the second door was way easier to put the door on. So now I just need to put the handles on, and we are done. Super nice. Yes. It looks super good, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get my TV mounted, but I think it looks gorgeous. I love it. Hopefully my furniture that I ordered matches everything, but yeah, I'm gonna get the TV mounted and then probably actually put the furniture to the wall so it doesn't like fall forward once I start putting stuff in it. But yes, I hope you guys liked it. This has been a long journey, but now I feel like Bob the Builder. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've gotten anything from IKEA before, and if it was a struggle, let me know, so we can start a petition on some better instructions. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications to be updated every time I upload. But until next time, death drop. Adios.